So good morning, dear children. So let us continue with the same lesson today also, that is chapter number 7, Neat and Classification of Industries. So in the previous classes, you have learned about the different type of industries, okay, classified on two bases, raw material and the size, and also the various factors that are needed or that are necessary for the establishment of industries. So today we will take up the very important topic, that is pollution, industrial pollution. Okay, types of industrial pollution. Now, industrialization, though it is necessary, okay, for the economic growth and the social development of the society, but at the same time, it can be harmful to the environment. Okay, so what do you mean by industrial pollution? What do you mean by pollution now? It refers to any form of pollution, okay, caused by industrial practices, and they are the major contributor of pollution on the earth. So now let's take the first type of pollution caused by industry, that is air pollution. So like toxic fumes or the harmful gases from the factories, okay, they pollute the atmosphere in the surrounding areas, and therefore what will happen? It leads to air pollution. Okay, so especially those type of industries using thermal energy like coal, petroleum, so they are the one to release the harmful gases into the atmosphere, thereby leading to air pollution. Now let's take the second one, is your water pollution. Now, like the industries, they discharge, many factories or many industries, they discharge their the waste water into the seas or into the rivers and all, isn't it? So in this way, the groundwater and the surface water is contaminated, and thereby making it unfit for human use. So that is the second type. Now third one is the noise pollution. So there are many industries that are still using the old technique of production. That means the machineries which are used in the factories are quite old, and therefore they create a lot of noise, okay, and this noise will hamper the productivity of the labor. Then next one, we have the land pollution. So disposal of the solid waste is the greatest problem for the industries. Okay, so and before they discharge, okay, the solid waste and all, some of the factories, okay, they don't treat it properly, and therefore they throw it in the surrounding, and that leads to various type of diseases or the spread of various diseases, or you can say it leads to environmental hazards. So these are some of the industrial pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution. Now let's see in brief what are the major causes of industrial pollution. So number one is lack of policies to control the pollution. There is no proper the measures or the policies, okay, so that the pollution, industrial pollution, can be controlled. Number two, unplanned industrial growth. So the industries are established in every part, okay, so there is no planning done before the establishment of the industries. Number three, use of outdated technologies. So most of the industries, they are making use of outdated or old tools and technique of production. So those technique, like as already I've told you here, in case of noise pollution, okay, they create a lot of noise which hamper the working capacity of the laborers. So next one, you have the inefficient waste disposal. This is the greatest problem of the industries. There is no proper disposal of the waste or the waste which are released from the factories or the industries. So because of this only, the industrial pollution have come up. Now what are the measures? We have to do something in order to control this pollution, isn't it? In order to control the industrial pollution. So what action can we take, or what are the preventive measures which you can take in order to prevent this industrial pollution? Number one, planting of more trees. So as you all know that if the trees are planted in the factory areas, it will trap the harmful gases before they are released into the atmosphere. Okay, so that's number one, plant more trees. Number two, proper disposal of the waste. So before the waste are disposed from the factory, before they are thrown out from the factory, the harmful substances has to be treated. Okay, they have to be removed before they are released into the environment. Then careful selection of industrial location. Before industry, like the is industrial site is like selected, okay, before the location is selected, the climatic factors, geographical factors, I can say the topographical factors, all these, what you say, the factors need to be, or they have to be taken into account. Then next one, strict government regulation. Like there should be a strict, what do you say, the motive from the side of the government in order to control the pollution. Like if anyone violates the norms, rules and regulation imposed by the government should be strictly punished. Then next one, proper implementation of Environmental Protection Act. Okay, so it means that if anyone is seen violating this particular norms, rules and regulation imposed under the Environmental Protection Act, those industries or the factories should be severely punished. So these are some of the preventive measures by which we can control the industrial pollution. Thank you.